In this video, we're going to work on a problem where we have to round a number to the nearest tenth. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is 32.78 rounded to the nearest tenths? So let's use our place value chart, okay? Tens, ones, tenths, and hundredths, okay? So after the decimal point, there's tenths and hundredths. And we have two numbers here after the decimal place. So let's put them in. So 3 is the tens, 2 is the ones, 7 is the tenths, and 8 is the hundredths. So we will round to the tenths, which is this number, okay? And to do that, you look at the number to the right, which is this one. Then if the number to the right of the tenths place value is 5 or greater, then the 7 would become an 8. We would have to round up, right? If the number to the right of the tenths place value is less than 5, then the 7 does not change, okay? So let's use our place value and put in the new number here after we've rounded. So 32 stays the same. Because 8 is 5 or greater, then when we round to the tenths, this becomes an 8. So it's 32.8. To finish the round, the number after the tenths place value is zeroed out. So you put a 0 here to finish it off. And that's the answer. So when you round upward, it'll become 32.80. If this was 5 is less than 5, like say this was a 4 or a 3 or a 2 or a 1 or a 0, then you would just leave this as 32 and then this would stay 7.7 and then you would zero this out as 0. And that's the end of that. If you didn't understand it right away, just rewatch the video. You're just probably one explanation away from getting it. Also, I have an ebook in the description that you could download and you can follow along this exact example in the ebook.